Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be changing the driver's side sway bar link on my 2007 Pontiac G5. If you have been hearing some clunking or popping noises when you go over bumps, this could be your problem. It's a pretty simple fix that will save you some money compared to taking it to a shop. So let's get to work. First, let's lift the car. You want to make sure the vehicle is on a flat surface. Get your jack under the car and lift it up. Now place your jack stand underneath the car at the proper lifting point and make sure it's stable. Once it is in place, carefully lower the jack so that the car is securely resting on the stand.
Using a 19mm socket, I remove the wheel cap first, this wheel cover. So there is 4 plastic bolts that I need to remove. I loosen. Okay, the wheel cap is out.
I'm going to use my impact gun to remove the wheel, and once it's off, I'm going to place the wheel under the frame. So here's the sway bar link. It connects the sway bar to the strut, and you'll see it on here and on both sides of the car. So this is what we are replacing today. Before removing the sway bar link, apply some PB blaster or penetrating oil to the bolts and let it sit for a few minutes. This helps loosen any rust or corrosion. Here I'm using my impact wrench to loosen the bolt, but unfortunately the bolt keeps spinning and I'm not able to remove it fully. So I'm using a locking pliers that will use it to lock the stud behind the bolt, and I will use the impact wrench again to loosen the bolt completely. And when it's out, I will do the same for the bottom one. But here my impact wrench will not fit underneath there, so I'm using the locking pliers, and I will use an 18mm ratchet to loosen the bolt.
So now we compare the new one and the old one. See, that's a new one, very hard to move, very tight, and this is the old one. So, and should always compare the sizes, because this one has 2 different sizes, one 250mm and one 300mm. It depends on the model of the car. So this one is 300mm, and the sway bar link that I got needs to have the grease point, which is here. So I'll put the grease point and put it back on. So using a 7mm wrench, I just tighten this, just snug, not too tight. Just like this. We put the bottom one first. I will torque this bolt to 40 foot-pounds. All done.
I then added a couple pumps of grease in the grease point there. I should have done it before putting the sway bar link on, but I already put it now, so I'm just adding the grease. With the new sway bar link installed, we will now put back on the wheel. Remove the stand and lower down the car. Next, torque the wheel to the spec,
And we'll put back the wheel cover. Just like that to make sure. Put back the wheel cover and just
now it's time to take the car for a test drive. Go over some bumps and make some sharp turns and see if the noise is gone. You should notice improved handling too. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the sway bar link on your 2007 Pontiac G5. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DIY car repairs. Drop a comment below if you have any question or if there's another car repair you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.